Welcome back to Review Mobile, your go-to source for the latest smartphone insights. Today, we're diving into the newly announced Nokia X200 Pro 2025, a device that's turning heads with its bold specs and premium feel. Whether you're a Nokia loyalist or just curious about emerging flagships, this one's worth a closer look. Design and display. The Nokia X200 Pro 2025 features a sleek, minimalist design with an aluminum frame and matte glass back. It sports a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, boasting QHD+ resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. With ultra-slim bezels and a punch-hole front camera, it offers a modern, immersive look. Performance and software. Under the hood, the X200 Pro runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It ships with Android 14, optimized with Nokia's near-stock UI for a clean and fast user experience. Multitasking, gaming, and intensive apps perform smoothly with almost no lag. Camera system. Nokia packs in a triple lens setup, a 200 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The results: sharp details, excellent dynamic range, and true-to-life colors. The 50 megapixels front camera is ideal for selfies and video calls, backed by enhanced AI algorithms for low light and portrait modes. Battery and charging. A massive 5,500 mAh battery powers the device, supporting 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Nokia claims a full charge in just under 30 minutes, along with efficient battery optimization that easily lasts a full day under heavy use. Connectivity and extras. The X200 Pro offers 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and IP68 water resistance. It also features stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an under-display fingerprint sensor, and face unlock. A 3.5mm jack is missing, but the audio output via USB-C and Bluetooth is impressive. Final thoughts. The Nokia X200 Pro 2025 reaffirms Nokia's comeback in the premium segment. With top-tier specs, excellent software, and competitive pricing, it's shaping up to be a flagship worth considering in 2025. Stay tuned to Review Mobile for our full hands-on review and comparisons. Would you like a voiceover-ready version of this script as well?